Hello students, Sanjay Purohit from Sanjay Study Center. Today we would like to see question answer of chapter 9, Madam Ride the Bus, part 2. Part 2 means some more questions. You must have seen the video prior to that जिसमें हम लोगों ने almost 12 questions किए थे. So now we'll start with the 13. Question is like that. Why does Valli refuse to look out of the window on her way back? उसने मना क्यों कर दिया, right? To be very precise, Valli was enjoying her bus ride, but on the return journey, what did she see? She saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside. It was the same cow that was running in front of the bus. The cow had been struck by some fast moving vehicle and now it lay lifeless. मतलब कि already died. It looked so horrible and very frightening with his legs spread eagle, a fixed stare in his lifeless eyes, and blood all over. All the excitement that she felt for her trip or excursion was over, and she refused to look out of the window on the way back to the village. She was absolutely getting distressed. तो आपका ये क्वेश्चन अगर हम लोग दूसरे तरीके से देखें तो वाई डज वल्ली रिफ्यूज टू लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो ऑन हर वे बैक, तो उसका आंसर हमने ऑलरेडी देख लिया. तो वल्ली रिफ्यूज टू लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो ऑन हर वे बैक बिकॉज शी सॉ ए यंग काउ lying dead by the roadside, just where it had been struck by some fast moving vehicle. It was the same cow that was running in front of the bus during their trip or excursion to the town. She was overcome with sadness. The memory of the dead cow haunted her, and therefore she refused to look out of the window. Next question, number 15. How did Valli plan her bus ride? What did she find out about the bus, and how did she save up the fare? Valli desired to have a ride in the bus which went from her village to the town and came back every hour. एक घंटे में पूरा, राइट, उनको अलग अलग ट्रिप टाउन से आती थी. She listened carefully to the conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus, and she also asked careful questions and found out that town was 6 miles from her village. How many miles? 6 miles. Right? And fare was very ordinary, 30 paisa one way. The trip or excursion to town took 45 minutes one way. She calculated that the bus took 45 minutes to reach the town from the village. She decided to take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus as it would come back till 2:45 or almost 3 to her village. That would also be the time her mother would be having her afternoon sleep or nap, so she wouldn't have to ask or to get the permission and no one would miss her. She had carefully saved whatever stray coin came her way and resisted every temptation to buy peppermint, toys, balloons, right, and other things. She had saved total 60 paisa for both the journey to and fro. At the village fair, she had not given in to her desire to ride the merry-go-round, even though she had the money. Thus, she had saved enough money for the ride from her house to the town and for the return journey. अब थोड़े बहुत एडिशनल क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. What does Valli mean when she says I was just agreeing with what you said about things happening without our knowledge? अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान से सुनो. What does Valli mean when she says I was just agreeing with what you said about things happening without our knowledge? Valli's mother said that many things happen around us but we are usually unaware of them. Valli had gone on a bus ride to town all alone. Mother was not knowing, right? And had come back without any harm. She did all this without the knowledge of her mother. Hence, she agreed with what her mother said. Right? Very simple. Next question. Author described things that Valli sees from an 8-year-old's point of view. Can you find evidences from the text for his statement? तो देखते हैं. Author has described the things that Valli saw from the 8-year-old's point of view. She was fascinated, charmed by a bus. Watching the bus filled with a new set of people each time was a source of unending joy for her. Her strongest desire was to ride the bus. She saved money by cutting on peppermint, toys, balloons, and even resisting the temptation to ride the merry-go-round at the fair. When author described the bus, point his traces on our color and look of the bus. It was a new bus, painted a gleaming white, the overhead bars shone like silver, the seats were soft and luxurious. हम लोग कभी ऐसा नोटिस नहीं करते. Description that author gives when Valli looked outside are typical for an 8-year-old. The blue sky, acres and acres of green fields, green so the enthusiasm of a kid on looking at a different color. Valli clapped her hands in glee, in joy, on watching a cow run right in front of the bus. She found it so funny that tears came into her eyes. On the other hand, she was overcome with sadness on her way back when she saw the same cow lying there. It had been a lovable, beautiful creature. Later, it looked so horrible. The memory of the dead cow haunted her so much that she even refused to look outside the window. These are the typical reactions of a young child. अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, पूछे नहीं पूछे, it was something that is what you need to read at least once. अब छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन जो है वो हम लोग एक एक बार देख के इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे. ओके, हु वाज वल्ली, ये आपको पैराग्राफ में काम लगेंगे. वल्ली was the short name of Valliamai. She was an 8-year-old girl who was very curious to know something. Question number 2. Why did Valli kept standing in front of the door? Valli kept standing in front of the door as there was no playmates of her own age on her street. So she used to keep on watching the street outside her house. Very simple, no playmates. She was simply standing in front of the door. That's why. What was the most fascinating thing that Valli saw on the street? The most fascinating thing that Valli saw on the street was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, once going to town and once coming back. बस उसको ये काफ़ी मज़ा आता था. Reason? She had never ridden bus at that time. How did Valli gather all the information about the bus? Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus. She also asked a few discrete or different questions here and there. This way, she gathered all the information about them. Or about the bus. Next question, number 5. हम लोग काफ़ी फास्ट जा रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन हैं और ये रिपीटेड है. अगर जो लोग पूरा वीडियो देखेंगे, राइट, एक का एक अगर आपको हैमर होगा याद रह जाएगा. Where was the town located? What was the fare to travel there by bus? The town was located 6 miles from Valli's village. The fare to travel to town by bus was 30 paisa for one way only. मतलब कि पूरा भी कंप्लीट करना है टू एंड फ्रो, तो 60 पैसा जो उसने किया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. व्हाट डिड वल्ली केप्ट ऑन प्लानिंग एंड कैलकुलेटिंग कंटिन्यूअसली? वल्ली केप्ट ऑन प्लानिंग एंड कैलकुलेटिंग which bus to take, how much time it will take to reach the town, and the fare that would require in completing her journey. I repeat, Valli kept on planning and calculating which bus to take, जो किसी को डिस्टर्ब ना करे. How much time it will take to reach the town, and fare that would require in completing her journey. टू एंड फ्रो मिलके कितने पैसे उसको सेव करने हैं वो भी वो कैलकुलेट कर रही थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ वाज द इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ द बस? ऐसा भी शायद पूछे तो. इट वाज ए न्यू बस. इट्स आउटसाइड वाज पेंटेड ए ग्लीमिंग व्हाइट विथ सम ग्रीन स्ट्राइप्स, पट्टे बोलते हैं स्ट्राइप्स, along the sides. Inside, the overhead bars, इसको पकड़ के खड़े रहते हैं, shone like silver. There was a beautiful clock above the windshield and its seats were quite soft and luxurious. Question number 8. Comfortable, luxurious मतलब. How was the view outside the bus when it went through the canal? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. On one side there was a canal and beyond it palm trees, grasslands, distant mountains and the sky, वो भी कौन सा, blue sky. On the other side was a deep ditch, जहाँ पे trenching करते हैं, and then acres and acres of green fields. Palm trees, grassland, distant mountain and sky. On the other side, deep ditch and then acres and acres of green field. Next question, why did conductor wanted Valli to sit? The conductor initially told Valli that as she has paid for the ticket, she should sit. But when she refused, he told her that she may fall and hurt herself when the bus taken a sharp turn or hits a bump. अगर एकदम टर्न लेते हैं तो या तो बम्प के ऊपर से जाते हैं, वो खड़ी है तो गिर जाएगी, and she will get hurt. Question number 10. Why didn't Valli want to talk to elderly woman? The elderly woman was wearing ugly earrings and was chewing betel nut. सुपारी बोलते हैं. The betel juice was about to seep out of her mouth, या तो spill out of her mouth. कितना गंदा लगता है. Valli found all this repulsive, right? Dislike, पसंद नहीं हो ऐसा, and hence did not wanted to talk to her. काफी गंदा लगता है. What question did the old woman ask Valli? The old woman, that is question number 11. What questions did the old woman ask Valli? The old woman asked Valli if she was traveling alone. She also asked her whether she knew where exactly she had to go in town. She further asked whether it was proper for such a young person to travel alone. काफी जो अनलाइक क्वेश्चन, बच्चों को पसंद नहीं ऐसे क्वेश्चन वो ओल्ड वुमन ने पूछा. हाउ डिड वल्ली सेव मनी टू ट्रेवल बाई बस? बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. वल्ली हैड थ्रिफ्टली saved whatever stray coin, रखते रिजल्ट इधर उधर पड़े हुए हैं ना घर में बाहर कोई ऐसे फेंकता नहीं है. Came her way. She resisted every temptation to buy peppermints, toys, balloons and ride on merry-go-round at village fair to save money for her bus journey. तो हमने ऑलमोस्ट आज भी करीबन 11 क्वेश्चन देख लिए, राइट? ऑलमोस्ट 11 क्वेश्चन. और अगर आप लोग देखेंगे, राइट, तो उसके सबके थोड़े थोड़े सिनोनिम्स भी मैं बताते जाता हूँ. थ्रिफ्टली मतलब फ्रेग्युअली, स्पेंडिंग मनी वेरी केयरफुली, इकोनॉमिकली, फ्रूगल इकोनॉमिक, थ्रिफ्टली, बराबर. मतलब जो लोग एक्सपेंसिव या तो लेविस ऐसे नहीं होते, एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट, बराबर, स्पेंड्रिक नहीं होते, उसको बोलते हैं फ्रूगल या तो इकोनॉमिक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, हाउ डिड वल्ली मैनेज टू ट्रैवल बाय बस विदाउट द नॉलेज ऑफ हर मदर? Valli managed to travel by bus without the knowledge of her mother, as she was asleep. She was having afternoon nap when Valli went out. Very simple question. And how did Valli feel on seeing the dead cow on the road? Valli was filled with sadness. She, though enjoying the trip while coming, but while going, she thought what had been a lovable, beautiful creature just a little while ago had now suddenly lost its charm and its life and looked so horrible and frightening. वो काफी सैड हो गई, ग्लूमी, सल्की, ग्रीफ, सॉरो, इतने सारे वर्ड हैं। तो एक और क्वेश्चन काफी अच्छा है। एज इज नॉट ए बैरियर व्हेन इट कम्स टू डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड ग्रेट। विच कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ वल्ली हेल्प हर अचीव द वंडर ऑफ विजिटिंग द टाउन एट सच ए टेंडर एज? उसने ऐसा डेयरिंग कैसे किया? एक ही बार बोलूंगा ये पूरा क्वेश्चन और इसका आंसर भी एक ही बार। इन टूडेज एरा एज इज नो मोर ए बैरियर or a restriction. Children are doing wonders at a very young age. Same goes with Valli. At an age of 8 years, Valli was able to pursue means follow, her dream of traveling in the bus to town all alone. She was no different from others, except that she had certain characteristics that made her fulfill her dreams. जो हर एक की होती है, आपको भी अपने ड्रीम फुलफिल करने हैं, राइट, तो करना पड़ेगा। Valli was a very confident one and a bold girl. She had a knowledge of proper planning and its execution या तो put it into implementation. She controlled her wishes to save money for the bus ride, and also she was a very good observer and learner too. All these qualities made her realize the dream of visiting the town. Hence, one should always remember that there is no age to learn and experience new thing. और एक बड़ा सा क्वेश्चन देख लेंगे। What kind of person is Valli? Illustrate your answer from the text that you have read. Valli was a determined, confident and brave girl. Determination, confidence and bravery, कितने अच्छे वर्च्यूज है। She was also a good planner and executioner. She sacrificed a lot of things to achieve her dream. आपको भी ये उसके नक्शे कदम पर चलना चाहिए। For example, she controlled, she curbed, she checked the temptation to buy sweets, riding on the merry-go-round in the fair, so that she could save money for the bus ride. Not only that, sacrificing all things such a tender age is very difficult for a child. वो अपना रेजिस्ट नहीं कर सकते। She also behaved confidently in the bus and did not get bogged down. किसी के राइट सहक में नहीं आई। In the presence of elders, किसी से डर नहीं गई, राइट, किसी के बहकावा में भी नहीं आई। कंडक्टर ने जब उसको ऑफर किया था कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स। When the bus reached the town, Valli did not succumb to the temptation of going out to explore or to find out the town or having a drink. She did this as she had a limited amount of money which she wanted to save for the return journey. So Valli used her money very wisely. When the conductor offered her a drink, she showed good manners in politely refusing to have it because she doesn't want to come under anybody's obligation. Right? So, fantastic question answer. If you like this question answer, not only you can like, but you share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for hearing me. Goodbye.